Hi, this is Lesli Etzel with Sobriety Redefined, and my topic today is why are our children not speaking to us after we've beat alcohol addiction? And I see this is a huge pattern in the women that I work with and with myself, and that's what I'm here to talk about. I want to tell you, if this is a topic that hits home, please follow, subscribe, because I'm going to be talking about this in depth in other videos. So here's a staggering statistic, and I do not have this memorized. I'm going to read it here, but estrangements from our children can last from 6 months to 41 years, with the average being 11 years. So what that means is it takes time. I know for me, it took a year, and they still struggled at a year, but they did show up and give me my 1-year chip, and that is where we began the relationship repairment at that time. But it was 1 year, and it was brutal, and it was hard, and I know there's people that are going through a lot longer than that. And I talk to women all the time that cannot understand why it's been 3 weeks or a month, and I'm looking at them, and I'm knowing that they're still drinking, and I say, well, are you still drinking? No. Well, you cannot lie to an alcoholic. That's what we do. We lie. And so I just wanted to bring this topic up because it's heartbreaking. It's one of the hardest things that I struggled with as I started my journey into sobriety. And there are some things. It's on the children's time. It's not on our timeline. It's on their time. And what they're looking for is consistency, accountability. They're trying to earn that trust back, but you have promised them so many times that you were going to get sober, and you don't. I didn't. No wonder my children didn't want to speak to me. So this is a topic that's really gets to my heart, and it's something that I really want to talk about as we approach the holidays, but it's not just about the holidays. It's about every day of the year. I want to share what I did to repair that relationship with you. And if this is something that you're interested in, follow along. For now, Sobriety Redefined, stay sober, keep doing the work, and keep coming back, because it works if you work it.